And an update that I missed, that guy right there, Cameron Mcadoo, is back on the bike, which is good news. Obviously, he is one of the title contenders or can always be a title contender. Just depends on if he can stay on the bike or not. And that kind of depends on most of the PC team, but we're not going to go there. But this is from a week ago. I completely missed this. Never saw anything. And he said, quote, "I'm so back," which is good news. Obviously, if he's back riding now, this is before the final of motocross. So he's got at least a few weeks before SMX. We might see him for some playoff time, maybe. Actually, I don't know if he's in the points or not or how this works. Um, but still, him being back on the bike is good news. That means he's back training, riding, not sitting on a couch, not just being a salary drain. And I hope he is back. I really do hope he is in for SMX because that would be good. I don't honestly know. Someone comments down below, tell me if he is or not, how those points work out. Obviously missing pretty much all of outdoors, kind of probably a big drain on that, but he did pretty well in Supercross. So, I don't know. He's always fast though. That's the thing. The more people you can bid in, like I always say, the more competition, the more top guys, the more top teams, the more top bikes, the better competition, the better product, the more it's fun it's going to be to watch. So I hope he is. But I don't know. Comments down below, you guys tell me. Is this good news, bad news? Do you think he's staying with PC for next year? Whatever it is, I don't know. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.